call BUSUNU Kokuma bi no so wo Damongo mensin mo wo Savannah mantam no mo ho nso nso to no anajo bia to say dodo no ade be bi ombeda no aye how ade ama won fudie o wo mo ne ma obi bia nso no atwe no ade kɔ Adom TV Kasee etwaso
manfo beburu adunum ya wonom etu BUSUNU ya manfo ete ho no eye akuafo e wo Damongo mensin e wo Savannah mantam mu no sesei nsu Kasee bi eto yenti ama wonom efie nyina ayiri a wonya baabi kura emfa wonti ento se nsu eto ye no esei enuane ene japade bebree wonom a wo ho kan ye e wo sensu yiri mu no etu afiri BUSUNU ya sesei classrooms ena wonom akwakobo wonom sese Bavun Adam eye West Gonja Municipal Nadmo Director wɔkyerɛ se Nadmo mpanyinfo akɔhwɛ bia nsu yi eto ye nam so emamanfo ho akyere wonom no akɔhwɛ bia wonom ewo mu.
We went there to assess the situation that about 54 people houses the water entered into their rooms. So we, after coming back to Damongo, then yesterday it rained again. Then the whole place is no longer accessible. The people, most of them have run out of their rooms to look for higher havens to be able to take care of themselves. Yeah. We can have any form of support for them. But as it is now, we have not been able to give them any form of support. Our only advice is for them to leave their places and either join their family members or stay in the classrooms that are somehow higher grounds.